Get this, your students are not just taking your courses, but engaging, collaborating, and growing right inside your LMS. As a creator, your biggest strength isn't just course content, it's the connection you build. And with the built-in community, it gives you the space to do that. And you don't need any third-party tools like Facebook groups or Discord anymore. Right inside Creator LMS, you get the community built in. And now you can create communities even without depending on the courses. That's right. And in the latest update, we have brought public and private spaces, public and private channels, and even you can assign courses inside the community that you've built before. And it's very easy to manage members. So let me show you how it works. So to use the community feature in Creator LMS, you have to go to the add-on section here inside Creator LMS, and you have to enable the community. So once you do that, you will have the chance to create your own public community. So you'll find the community tab on the left side panel here, and you can just go ahead and click on it. So once you click it, so here's the community, the entire community. You can see that there are multiple hierarchy here. So you will find the space hub, you will find a channel hub under each spaces. So you can add multiple channels in each space, or you can also assign specific courses. All right. So here, for example, if I want to add a course to the digital marketing space, you can always do that. And if you don't have any courses inside your website, no courses will appear. All right. So let me edit this. So let's say I want to edit this space. All right. So I can go ahead and change the emojis. Let's say select. You can always change the space description, and you can assign course. Like here, I want to add digital marketing advanced course in this specific space. All right. And you can have the option to create the space as public or private, or you can always go ahead and change it afterwards. You can update this. So this is basically the general feed. Now you have the option to edit members. You have the option to check the courses that you have. You can enroll in the courses from here as well. So let me show you the discussions tab. So here you can post anything you want. So for example, I just logged in. So let's say hi. I'm just adding a hi, and I can also add tip, whether the question that I added is a tip, a Q&A, a discussion, some help that I'm looking for. You can find multiple tags here. All right. So let's say I just want to add a discussion here. So I'm going to add this. I can add emojis here, and I'm posting it in the general feed of the space that I just created. So I'm going to click on post. As you can see, the post has been added here. Now you can also create polls here. So for example, I want to add a poll. Let's say which. You can add different layers here. So let's say this is a Q&A, social media, blogs, let's say SEO, and you can give the users the option to choose multiple. So I'm going to post it. You can see that I've already posted the poll, and anyone can go ahead and answer this. All right. So let's say I'm voting to blogs, and you can also add reactions inside the polls. So, and you can also add comments. So let's say I want to like this. I'm going, I love video marketing, for example. So this is how the posting works. You can also edit your bio as the member. You can change different members to moderator members, or you can also suspend them if they break any rules. So let me just quickly show you how you can create a channel. So for example, this is the general feed, right? Now I want to add a channel where I wanna discuss different events, or maybe I just want to do some fun discussion. So let's say I am adding a channel named Fun Discussion. I can add a cover photo for each channel, so that's a great thing. I'm gonna go ahead and create this. And you can see that the Fun Discussion channel has been created. So here you can post different funny things you learned about digital marketing, or maybe just basic discussions about how your life is going. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you the general settings that we have currently. You can add the community title, change it whenever you want, and you can also upload logos. So for example, I want this logo to be uploaded. Now you can see it has been updated as well. So save settings. Now go ahead to the home feed. Here all the posts will appear from different spaces. And that's about it. Start turning your audience into an active community right inside Creator LMS. Try community feature today and bring your learners closer than ever. That's it for today. Let me know in the comment box if you have any questions. I'm going to answer all of it. And take care until my next video drops.